Hello and welcome back to VLADA'S place. Since I started baking sourdough bread, I'm constantly keeping up with the starter and making sure that I don't lose it. Today, I want to find out if I could freeze it and reactivate it. Since I'm uncertain about the outcome, I'm making sure that I have plenty of a regular starter that's well taken care of, it's fed and active, and just in case the frozen starter does not reactivate. So basically, this is where we're starting. We have the regular active starter, which is just fed, and we have this frozen one. I'm gonna set them both on a room temperature and see what develops. So this is all thawed, and I'm gonna feed it and see if I can reactivate it. The one that was in the fridge, it's obviously doing really well, and I'm going to start a new batch of sourdough. But now let's go ahead and give a little bit more flour to this one. And I'm going to give a little more water and see what happens. Dry yeast can easily be frozen and quickly reactivated. We even have done a video about how to store dry yeast in a freezer for 4 months. But I have never done this, and I'm curious to find out if active bacteria, like the one that's in the sourdough, could do the same. One from the freezer sit and rise, and the one that we activated from the fridge, we're just gonna start a fresh new batch of sourdough bread. And so if you are interested to learn how to make a sourdough, we have a YouTube instructions on this channel, so just look us up. We recently posted a video. If you have any questions, let me know. I would be glad to assist you further. But basically, baking sourdough is really simple and it's lots of fun. For all of you who are just starting with your sourdough adventure and you're learning how to take care of the sourdough culture and how to bake sourdough bread, I would suggest you visit our YouTube channel, VLADA'S Place, for further instructions. Also, check out our charity called VLADA'S Seeds of Life, whose mission is to help reconnect American families and communities. Good news! After 2 days of tending to this starter with the fresh flour and fresh water, the starter did reactivate. However, there were a couple of times when I was ready to throw it away because I thought the bacteria was completely gone. So I can see how easily this can be unsuccessful if the temperature, if the consistency or the moisture is not just right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to dispose of this top layer, which appears to be a little bit darker. And this might as well be the bacteria that's frozen and inactive. Okay, dispose of that, and then I will add some fresh flour. A little bit more water, and I'm gonna set this starter in a fridge till the next time. There are a few things in life that make home feel like sanctuary, as does freshly baked homemade bread. I hope you like this video, and I hope you will give us your thumbs up so that other families can learn about sourdough and how to keep the starter, and also we hope you will subscribe. Thank you so much for spending time with us, and until the next time and the next recipe, please take good care of yourself and those around you.